Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dazzling Madhulika. I am Madhulika Aditya. Hope you all are doing good. So today I came up with another interesting recipe which was influenced by Persian cuisine. Yes, you all are correct. It's mutton rogan josh. Before we get into the recipe, if you like my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss any update. The dish we are talking about today, Rogan Josh, hails from the Kashmir region of India but was first introduced by the Mughals from Persia. And the word Rogan means red while Josh refers to the heat or fiery. So this dish is all about cooking in hot oil or ghee till its rich red color. Rogan Josh is prepared using the slow cooking method with authentic whole spices, and it has a light gravy with a strong aroma. It goes well with any Indian bread, steamed rice or biryani. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. These are the ingredients which we require for our today's recipe. We require soft tender pieces of mutton 500 grams, curd 150 grams, 2 medium sized onions finely chopped, fennel seeds 2 tablespoons, dry Kashmiri chili 4 to 5 in water, bay leaves 2, 2 pieces of cardamom, 6 to 7 pieces of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and mustard oil, 1 cup cumin powder half teaspoon, ginger paste 1 teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon. First, in a pan I will roast all the whole spices until it begin to smell toasty and fragrant. It smells really very nice. Now I will transfer the whole spices in a mortar and pestle where I will grind it. As you all can see, the masala is ready. I will heat the kadai and put some oil, and as the oil is ready, I will put the onions and fry till it turns golden brown in color. I will add a pinch of salt to it. It smells really nice. The onions are cooked well. It's exactly the color which I want, golden brown. Now I will heat oil in a pan. Then I'm going to add bay leaf and all the other whole spices which are mentioned. Then I'll saute it slightly. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste to it. Now immediately I'm going to add all the mutton and mix well. We have to fry the mutton on a medium to high flames and we have to stir it occasionally. It's time to add the salt. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, zira powder, and mix well. We have to mix the masala evenly. I have added a pinch of sugar to it for its color. If you wish, you can add, or else you can leave it. I like a little sweet in it, so I have added sugar. Now I am going to add 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 cups of water. And mix the mutton well. We have to allow the mutton to cook well. So we are going to cover it with a lid and cook it for about 1 hour. The most vital part of this recipe, where we are going to grind the dry chilies which are soaked in water and make a fine paste. In a separate bowl of yogurt, we have to add the Kashmiri red chili paste and the roasted masala and whisk it nicely. Now we will take off the lid after 1 hour, and we can see the mutton is half cooked and the gravy is reduced to its half. Now we will add the whisked yogurt and mix well. Now for those who like a thick gravy, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida and whisk it well before adding to the gravy. This will also enhance the taste of the dish. And Rogan Josh is made in a pan over low flame, but you can cook it in a pressure cooker to speed up the process. Now I will add a little water for thinning this gravy. And the leftover Kashmiri red chili paste to it for its color. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's according to your taste. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala, which will enhance its flavor. And finally I am going to add the fried onions. And mix it evenly. It smells heavenly. This is the consistency which we want. At this point we need to cook it in a high flame. And now I will add finally ghee, desi ghee to it. It's optional. You can add or else you can leave also. After stirring well, we will close the lid and cook it on a low flame for another half an hour.